Our Earth is full. We are growing, consuming, and demanding at an uncontrollable rate. Our resources are exhausting, our water is contaminated, and our species are disappearing. The list of mankind's impact goes on and on. So the question is, what can we do? Well, this taps into the larger debate of environmental sustainability and whether or not it's too late. Should our civilization halt on all fronts and retreat to a more simple time? Or should we push forward on our innovation and solve the problems at hand?
The fact is that Earth's resources are finite, and with continued use, the outcome is inevitable. We will run out. For example, the biocapacity of Earth is 12 billion hectares, but the human demand is equivalent to that of 18 billion hectares. Hence the saying we need 1.5 Earths. But this measurement is a huge understatement. It's only measuring our ecological footprint. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, by 2025, 1.8 billion people will be living in countries or regions with absolute water scarcity. The BP Statistical Review of World Energy in June 2010 measured global oil resources at 188.8 million tons. And at the rate we use oil, this is only enough to last us the next 40.2 years. And according to the Global Phosphorus Research Initiative, we could run out of phosphorus in the next 50 to 100 years. We need this element to grow food to sustain over 7 billion people on Earth. We need to take our action now.
Throughout time, we have seen human innovation rising from necessity. How many times have we seen people survive impossible odds because they take actions they would not have taken otherwise? Their drive for survival pushed them to act and think about how they would be able to come out alive. Many things we take for granted today came as innovations from World War II, such as rubber, radios, computers, all as a way of getting an edge during the war. However, we have also seen that until that cause or danger is imminent, we have also seen that until the cause of that danger is imminent, people are also likely to push it off. In terms of environmental protection, actions will not occur until the planet shuts down, which is already happening, or until we have a good enough motivator. Some places began to dip their toes on this pressure to action system as a way of encouraging smart decisions. Spain uses communal recycling bins that check for mixed garbage. If too much garbage is found in the wrong bin, the community as a whole is taxed. Until we have systems built to force people to act, our planet will suffer for it, and waiting for an imminent threat will be too late for us.
Although the future looks bleak, not all hope is lost. The key to solving our global environmental crisis is education. Society has no grasp or understanding the magnitude this problem presents to our society. A majority of individuals are not aware how impactful these consequences will be when these issues start to add up. Therefore, the first step in solving the issue is spreading awareness. Our education system has failed to create responsible stewards of the environment. Educators need to make environmental values a major part of our curriculum. Once attitudes change, participation in activity that leads to environmental resolution will happen. Hopefully, if we all pull together, we can minimize the impacts and foster a sustainable community for decades to come. We must act now.
So if we all know that a crisis is imminent, then why aren't we acting? Well, maybe because we're just not educated enough about this subject. And maybe because our mainstream media, which is controlled by our government, just don't want us to believe that climate change is a real threat to humanity.
In conclusion, immediate action should be taken to ensure future prosperity. There is no doubt that technology and innovation are crucial to solving this problem. However, when things boil down, it is better to be safe than sorry. It is better to be planned and prepared than wait for a solution to come ahead. Thanks for listening.